Hi, I'm Brian Larkin and I'm presenting to you Portfolio 3, the project of Portfolio 3. Alright, a little background into this presentation. The following presentation will highlight the different reasons why the use of web conferencing technology could have a positive impact on the college community going forward. This research topic was chosen because this has probably been, hands down, the most useful piece of technology within the college community during this whole pandemic, at least in my eyes. First reason, lower total cost. Many prospective students overlook the cost advantages of online classes. Although online learners may pay the same per credit tuition rate as online campus degree and certificate seekers, they do not pay for on-campus housing or meal plans. Learners also save time and money by eliminating a commute. Second reason, more comfortable learning environment. With the ability to study anywhere, online learners can complete coursework at home, a coffee shop, or a library. This advantage of online learning also allows students to work in an environment that best suits them. As new online degree and certificate seekers research different places, they should focus on those that offer a reliable internet connection and few distractions, of course, during these times, which is extremely important. Third and last but not least, pacing options. The second term, synchronous, describes the opposite of asynchronous. Like on-campus courses, synchronous online courses maintain set meeting times where the professor instructs learners over Zoom or another video conferencing service. Just like with that, you are getting the same experience you would by going to a class where you are able to interact with your teachers. You're still able to interact with them just over Zoom. All right. This is the end of my presentation, and the works cited, you can see my source right here. I would say I've gotten all this information from one site, from this one source, and yeah, that's my presentation.